So, how Grok is helping me to market my product and make it reach to the people that needs it. So my product is TF Invites. It basically allows you to, get a public link for your private apps. When you are in the early days of development with an iOS app, you need people to, use it, like your friends and other staff or colleagues, things like that. So Apple want an app to be reviewed to give you a public link, but this product solves that problem, along with many other issues like custom emails and other things. So I use Grok here to run a check on the whole Twitter or X, to find the people who needs my product. I have a prompt here. It brings me up all the latest posts that containing my targeted audience, and it would email me every day in the morning that these are some of the posts you need to reach out. For example, this post so this post talk about they are moving to iOS, and they need help with managing testers. I would go there and tell them about my product in a generous way, that you can try my product. So it's already helping me reach all the new posts that are being posted on X without doing anything. Like, this is free, and I'm thankful for this thing. And yeah, thank you.